Weather now. Here's a live look outside. Boy, if you like fall, it is kind of making its way into our forecast just a little bit with that word of frost. Chief Meteorologist Chad Evans joins us now with a look at our forecast. Hey, Chad.
Yeah, hey there, Gina. And a little bit late, a little bit early for that. To be getting temperatures down to the mid-30s. We'll talk more about that in a few minutes. Right now, a few little spotty showers trying to get going here. Southern Miami County, a few headed for Fountain County. And as we get into the evening, a few more little spotty showers, perhaps even an isolated thunderstorm popping up here and there as some of these showers move northward, and then some of these out in northwest Illinois approach from the west. So it's kind of a squeeze play, and eventually, as we get into late evening, early overnight, quite a few showers, even a few isolated storms blossoming across the viewing area. Now, this is a big storm. This is going to ride up the Appalachians, produce winds up to 60 miles an hour in the northeast. There could even be some tornadoes up here tomorrow with widespread flooding rainfall. But one thing it will do for us is pull down a lot of cool air. As that storm wraps up in the northeast, here comes the cold air. Notice these frost and freeze advisories, freeze warnings up here in Minnesota. So this is the chunk of cold air coming in from the northwest. And you will notice as we zoom in tighter, a few little speckly showers here. Not only is it cold near the ground, but it's cold upstairs. So we may pick up a little spotty shower just like this, kind of pivoting around tomorrow afternoon, but overall it's going to be a windy and cooler day. Today it's pretty nice though, really. Mix of clouds, some sun, 79 right now Monticello, 77 at the station, but 73 at Frankfort. There's at the TV station dew point coming up to 60, and at Pine Village it's 79 with a pretty juicy dew point of 61 degrees. That will support some of the scattered showers and perhaps a couple isolated storms tonight. You see those increasing in coverage as we head towards 11 o'clock, and at 11, 62 degrees. Notice the wind shift to the north. It's going to drop temps between about 50 and 55 by tomorrow morning. 52 Winnemac, 54 Monticello, 55 Lafayette, Frankfort, with some of that scattered rainfall around. For tomorrow, there could be a little morning rain, and then I think the sun will come out. It'll turn partly cloudy and windy with a couple spotty showers pivoting in during the afternoon with highs low to mid-60s. That is it. 64 Lafayette, Frankfort, 62 Logansport, and 65 at Attica. Tomorrow night, skies clear. We go calm. It's a good setup for at least a few patches of frost here and there. 36 for the low, Monticello, 37 Lafayette to Frankfort, and all the way down to 35 degrees at Kewanna, Logansport, as well as Marysville. And by the time this is all said and done, I think we're looking at generally around 2/10 to perhaps a quarter of an inch rain over most of the area. Right now it looks like the heavier totals, possibly over a third of an inch, maybe isolated half inch, would be down in our southeast counties. And overall, this cool pattern is going to set in for the rest of September. Cooler than normal temperatures, but it will start to warm up by October. Above normal temperatures return by early October. 70 forecast, couple spotty showers tomorrow. 37 Wednesday morning. We warm up to 72 Thursday, and then cooler again.